We were this close. Oh, that flashlight biz was quick thinking on your part. What's your name, little fella?
Edmond. Is he gone?
Yeah, he's gone, but he'll be back, and he won't be alone, the coward. I would have whopped him if I'd have had my shoes tied. But you know something? Tying shoes is harder than dried dog food.
What you wearing shoes for?
Bunions. I got a load of bunions. And them shoes help my feet.
Here, let me show you how to tie them. Jesus! I'm a furry!
Well, kittens are furry.
But I'm a little boy. Oh, did that come out of me? I'm a cat! He turned me into a cat! Help me! Do something! I can't be a cat! I'm a boy! What do I do?
All right, steady, boy. Keep your pants on.
Hey, Edmond, you alright? Yeah, fine, sir.
Yeah. What am I doing? I'm licking myself. Patou!
I'm in here.
According to my calculations, this can't possibly be the city. See? 37 by 7 southeast. 36 by 77, or is it 37 by 6?
It's okay, peepers. It's Edmond. He's a nice kid.
I'm a boy. I don't get a mouth. I must be crazy. You bet your sweet whiskers. Wow.
There ain't no city around here. Oh, sadness. Hey, aren't you gonna tie my shoes?
I can't help anybody. I'm too little. I'm the squattiest football one. Mom and Dad won't even recognize me. Mom! Dad! Help! Oh, chanticleer.
What?
He doesn't come back until the sun won't ever shine again. And the rain will keep coming down. And the water will get higher and higher. Till we all drown.
Wowie, wow, 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 wow! Are we close? Are we near the city? Us magpies are just made for the city. Come on already. Hurry up, peepers.
Looking for the city. We're looking for chanticleer.
Well, he's in the city, isn't he?
Then he is in the city.
Girls, they think they know everything. Why don't you run home? Be a mousewife. Make cheese.
Snipe, you think you're so superior.
Superior. Nice list.
My list isolates and elevates me and makes me a rare specimen.
Ah, this is flipping garbage.
You're too
I down you two.
The story's true. You all left him and he went away.
You're right, son. We done wrong, and that's why we're searching for the city. We gotta find Shanty and apologize.
So he'll forgive us. Come home and raise the sun. Well, I know where the city is. I've been there lots of times as a boy.
A boy?
Before that big
Demon cat.
owl turned me into a cat.
Demon cat?
Owl?
Demon cat.
Edmond, would you take us to the city? I can't. Look at me. I'm a cat. No, a little kitty. What can I do?
I can do lots of things, and I'm a lot smaller than you. And furthermore, I could forgive you for being a cat if you would take us to the city. Of course, if you're afraid cat.
I'm not afraid.
Hey, guys.
A scaredy cat. Be scared?
Hey, guys.
Lay off the boy.
Hey, guys.
Cat, I'm not afraid of anything. I'll take you to the city and find chanticleer. And bring him home and save Dad and Mom and the farm.
All right. Hope you can swim, guys. Guys.
We don't have to swim. We'll go by boat. Oh, this is serious.
Peepers! You'll need this if those
Devil dogs.
owls return.
Devil dogs. Devil dogs.
Oh, yeah.
Devil dogs.
I'm sticking with you.
Well, fellas, this is it.
The city! The lights, the chicks, the food.
Bye. Bye now,
Devil dogs.
Bye.
devil dogs.